In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close the Brave search tab icon. If that little tab search button at the top of your Brave window is cluttering your toolbar, or you simply don't use it, you can hide it in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to confirm it's gone. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, direct your attention to the very top right corner of the window. You'll see the main menu icon represented by three horizontal lines. Click that to open Brave's menu. This menu is where Brave keeps all of your primary controls and preferences, and it's the quickest way to reach the settings we need. From the menu, click on Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Brave's configuration options. On the left-hand side, you'll see categories that group related settings together. Click on Appearance. The Appearance section controls how Brave looks and what shows up in your toolbar and tab bar. Inside Appearance, look for the option labeled Customize Your Toolbar and click it. This opens a set of switches that turn various toolbar items on or off. These controls are designed to be immediate, so any changes you make here will reflect right away without a restart. Now, find the item called Tab Search. This corresponds to the search button that appears along your tab strip, typically near the top right of the window. When it's enabled, the toggle will usually appear highlighted. Click the toggle to turn it off. The moment you do, glance back up at the top of your browser. The tab search icon should disappear instantly. That's your confirmation that the change has been applied. If you're curious, this change only hides the button itself. It doesn't remove any other browsing features. If you ever decide you want that button back, you can return to the same place, Appearance, then customize your toolbar, and switch tab search back on. Before you close the Settings tab, take a second to make sure the icon is gone from your toolbar. If you still see it, double-check that the toggle for tab search is set to off. The setting takes effect immediately, so no additional actions are needed. That's all there is to it. By opening Brave, heading to Settings, choosing Appearance, selecting Customize Your Toolbar, and switching off tab search, you've cleaned up your toolbar and removed a button you don't need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a tidier Brave browsing experience.